How long do I have to keep this on
Just
for?
until the start of the ceremony.
It's getting all sweaty.
It is hot.
It's exciting.
I am going to get back to work this afternoon, aren't I?
Yeah.
Are we nearly there yet?
Ian, wait for me to get round that side of the car, please.
I can do this because Dawn went blind for a bit, so...
I did,
Oh, we're not near any water, are we? I don't like water when I can't see.
No.
No steps?
No.
No steps.
And... Stop. Ian? Ta-da!
Oh, the bullring.
Yeah.
We thought we'd be perfect for snowing.
No, it's not, no.
Why, didn't she like the...
No, it's not that, no. She worked here, you see, one summer. And they sacked her.
Right?
Well, she was eating peanuts on the job and all her uniform, you know.
You can go somewhere else if you want.
No, we're here now.
You ready, Ian?
Yep.
Brilliant.
Before the formal ceremony, would anyone like to say anything?
I've prepared a few words, if I may. Thank you. A heartfelt message to the girl I never knew. I'd like to recollect all of the traits that made you you. But since we never met, I'll have to go on averages. Fun, laughter, cake, shoes, telly, lipstick, new tops, cruises, but wait. This could have been an exercise in filling in the blanks, but we got to meet your mum, and for that I give true thanks. If you were anything like her, you must have been bloody brilliant.
Thank you very much.
It's all right.
Right, here goes. O mighty and powerful God of the roads of Europe, it's probably Hermes, although, I mean, if you wanted to be more specific, you could go for Isseres or Locarnos, but Hermes. So, O mighty Hermes, who all cars, vans, trucks and that must pay homage, we offer to you this libation with upon it bearing the name of Snowy. We offer you this libation. Hold on. We offer you this libation.
Can I say a few words?
Yeah.
In celebration of my daughter's life and in memory of Snowy and the discovery of a new brother and sister and therefore a family is reunited. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Well, I hereby name this car Snowy, and may she bring fair driving and good pleasure to all who ride in her. I did it a bit soft because I was near the light.
That's all right, Bob.
Can I?
See you in a bit.
And I'll do it like the Queen.
Sure.
Right. My husband and I named this car Snowy. I know, and here goes. And back a bit, back. Keep coming, keep coming. Turn a bit, no, keep coming straight. No, you're dead on it now. And keep, and stop.
Good girl, Snowy.